Are you frustrated by missing share buttons in Elementor? Unlock the Pro Widget and add them in just 5 clicks. We'll walk through 5 quick clicks, from opening the editor to upgrading to Pro, so you can get share buttons live right away. Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Highlight.
Click on Share buttons.
Click on Use Share Buttons widget and dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better.
Click on Upgrade Now.
If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.